What's up, guys? How's it going? It's a late day. Today was weird, man. I decided to ride late, but I had a small problem. There's a few bolts on the engine mount. I'm gonna take the helmet. On the engine mount, 1, 2, and 3. They were loose as hell. You want to make sure you tighten those. Throttle cable today, and luckily I had another one that I brought with me, so that was awesome. Yeah, we're gonna do a little riding just for a little bit, nothing crazy. The main reason I came out here for today was some of the videos I've been posting, they've been showing up in 1080p, even though I've been recording in 4K or 1440. So I just wanted to do a quick video, see if I could figure out what's up with that. Also, the throttle cable, I went back into my purchase history because I bought this throttle cable 2 years ago. The throttle cable, it's like the one that I had on before that snapped was roughly 32.6 inches or something. The one I just put on, I'm not sure the size. One, because I can't open up the listing anymore on eBay because it's no longer on there. When my new carburetor comes in, I'll take it off and measure it. But it's a little shorter. I want to say maybe it's maybe like a 30, it's like probably a 31 inch, maybe 30, just 32 even, 31.6, some weird size. It sucks with these Chinese pit bikes because you can't, usually you would just go to the power sports store and you would just buy like, hey, I need a KLX, I need a KDX 200 throttle cable. With these, everything's down to measurement. So I want to test this cable out. Make sure it's not too short. It's getting dark out quick. I'm pissed. I was out here maybe an hour ago, and I got out here and I'm so mad, man. There was a bunch of people out here riding too. The sun's about to go down. I think I like this throttle cable a little bit better. I think this throttle cable might be better than the last one. Ooh, big ass deer. You see those? Do you see them bitches? I didn't really warm this up all the way before I started riding it. Kind of just got on that hoe. But you see, first kick every time. Warmed up yet. It's like 5:30. I want to shout out to the dude. I was watching my videos that I posted last night. climb it yet. I want to climb it fully.